Raspberry cream, let's see if it's any good. 210 calories, 20 grams of protein. You're gonna find that in most of their bars, but I haven't really loved their fruit flavored bars. We're gonna see if it's any good. So the Crispies on top give it a little bit of a crunch. The raspberry flavor is good. It balances well with the vanilla. This is my favorite vanilla that they've had in any of their bars. They don't do super well with vanilla. I am pretty happy with this one though. It reminds me a little bit of a Pop-Tart. If this was strawberry, this would maybe be top 10 for me. It would be so good. Not as big of a fan of raspberry as I am strawberry. If it was strawberry, it would be amazing. Because of me not liking raspberry as much, it's gonna bring it down compared to it being a strawberry, but this is a really good breakfast flavor. If you like more fruit flavored things and you want something for breakfast like a protein bar, this is probably gonna be your go-to. All in all, I'd probably give it a 6.5. That might seem low for how much I was saying I really like it, but you have to think about the other flavors that they have. A lot of them are super, super good. If this was strawberry, it might be my top 10. It's gonna be a 6.5.